wanna tell in lies. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make my quick, easy French onion chicken. Okay, you can make this in the oven or you can make this in your air fryer. Today I'm going to be making mine in the oven. So let me show you what we're going to be using. So today I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast. Of course, chicken thighs have more flavor, but you just want to make sure your meat is boneless, okay? You're going to need some French onion dip. I'm using this Great Value French onion dip. It's really good. As you can see, we already been eating it with some chips. So I'm going to use what's left, but it's enough. So you're gonna need some French onion dip. I have some scallions, green onions here. I have some 3 cheese Kraft crumbles. Some French's crispy fried onions is gonna be the topping. Some black pepper. My seasoning right here. Of course, if you don't have my seasoning, there's always a link in the description box where you can order it. If you don't happen to have my seasoning, you can use some adobo with pepper. But of course, you can see my seasoning is super complex. I can't even count how many bottles I have went through. This is really what I use in my kitchen. As you can see, this bottle's almost done. I need to replace it. But you're gonna need some seasoning salt. I'm using mine. Go buy mine. It's really good, okay? You need some minced garlic and some parsley. Just that simple. You can eat this French onion chicken with whatever, mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, mac and cheese, whatever. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make with this, but I'm gonna make some veggies and a starch. I guess we'll see at the end what I decide to make with it. But let's get started. All right, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and go clean this chicken, put it in a baking pan, and come back. Alright, so we got our chicken thighs nice and cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and put a splash of vinegar in here. Okay. Next, I'm going to hit it with some of my seasoning. Season it well, but not too crazy because, of course, the topping has salt in it, okay? Some black pepper. I know I love pepper. And some parsley. Now with clean hands, we're just going to, mix the seasoning in. Right. Now I'm just gonna arrange the chicken in the pan so we can put the topping on it. This right here was a 2.2 pound pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So almost 2.5 pounds. So fix that. This right here is perfect. Now let's make our topping. All right, you guys, so I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of this French onion dip to this bowl. This right here already has a bunch of seasoning, so you don't need to season this topping. You can, of course, also make your own French onion dip with the packet mix and the sour cream. That's pretty much what this is. So that was the dip. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of this cheese crumbles. That's gonna be nice and cheesy. It's gonna be good. Next, I'm going to chop up 1 stalk of the green onion. My counters are clean. My whole kitchen is granite, so my whole kitchen is a chopping block, okay? So don't come at me. Do what you do in your kitchen. I'm just gonna do this real quick because I don't want to wash a whole cutting board just to chop up a scallion, okay? So we're gonna add in the scallion. Then we're just gonna mix this up. Okay, this looks good. Here's how it looks. Okay. Now we have our chicken here. We're just gonna go ahead and put like a tablespoon on top of each. And then we'll come back if there's like extra and add some more. You know what? I'm gonna drain some of this liquid that's coming out real quick, because I don't want it to be soupy. I definitely don't want the chicken to be soupy, so I'm just gonna drain that some. Alright, this looks much better. You don't want a lot of liquid in your pan. Alright, that's much better. So now we're gonna take some of the French onions and sprinkle some on top. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look before it goes in the oven. I'm just going to hit the tops with a little bit more pepper. Not a lot, just a little. Okay. And a little parsley. Just for presentation. Okay, our French onion chicken is ready for the oven. I'm going to bake this uncovered at 360 degrees until the chicken is done and the top is all nice and brown. Usually that takes me like 45 minutes or so, but I know every oven is different. Mine is electric, so you know, do it more by sight, okay? So make sure that chicken is cooked all the way and the top is nicely brown. Okay, so into the oven it goes uncovered. Y'all, look at how good that looks already. Okay, yum. Alright, so it's been 40 minutes. It's not quite done. What I am going to do is I'm going to drain some of this liquid out the pan. Since we're using chicken thighs and not breast, of course it's more juicier. So I'm just gonna drain some of this. Alright, now I'm just gonna let this cook a little bit more, get a little bit more brown. And just make sure that chicken is done. Alright, you guys, so I just took the chicken out the oven. It's done, nice and juicy. Okay, I'm about to plate up. I decided to make some jasmine rice, and I'm gonna do like a spinach salad. But look at that, yum. Alright, you guys, so here is our chicken. I have my spinach right here for the salad. I didn't think I was going to be able to like plate it and make it look nice with the salad on there. But look, yum, yum, yum. This looks so bomb. So this chicken looks super juicy. Let's, look at that, y'all. Okay, and look at this filling, well, topping really. Oh, so good. So good. You guys try this. When you do, tag me, Snapchat, Instagram, email me, do whatever you need to do so I see a version of my recipe. Okay? Oh my gosh. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip.